What's going on YouTube? Sir Nathaniel here, Custom Fiends Basketball. Got a great workout for you. This workout is gonna help you get warmed up before a game. It's gonna help you with getting your touch on your shots. It's gonna help you with your gathering of the basketball. Make the move hard, sell the move with the eyes, get a balanced base and get up into your shot. Try to make every shot on net, see how many you can make in a row. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're a returner, I appreciate you guys returning. Let's get straight to the workout. Between the leg, behind the back, pull-up jumper, right in the middle of the free throw line. All right, starting the right hand first off. 1, 2, shot. 1, 2, shot. 1, 2. 1, 2. Left hand between behind. 1, 2. Quick. Now we got between leg crossover into a right hand floater. 1, 2. High glass every time. 5. Jab left, attack middle, under drag snatch, misdirection between the legs to the left. 2. 3. 5. All right, YouTube, that's a wrap. Way to put in work today. You worked on gathering the ball, selling moves with your eyes, getting balance on your shot, seeing how many shots you can make in a row. All right, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're a returner, I appreciate you guys returning. Way to put in work today. Y'all don't forget to smile, be happy, make other people smile, and y'all have a good day. See y'all in the next one.